Alright, this one would be covering pretty much the axes, big hammers, sledgehammers, machetes. Basically, you get the idea. These weapons are actually greater weapons. They're very effective at close range, close quarters combat, as last resort weapons as well. But you don't want to use these kind of weapons or rely upon these weapons. Could you imagine yourself running around trying to gather supplies while carrying, hammers and a freaking sledgehammer and all sorts of other things? It's going to slow you down. Swords and whatnot, great weapons, but then again, you think about it, it's something that you're going to have to continuously swing. Your arms are going to get tired. I don't know how many of you are, professional sword fighters, but I like to see how long you can consecutively swing a sword for in combat, or in a situation where you have to defend yourself, but time is limited. You're not going to be able to go forever. So when you choose these weapons, make sure it's something that you can handle, something that you can manipulate, something that you can use effectively and still be able to move effectively.